Khoto yale henhla eJoni bakanye xikombelo xa aphili xa matsalanankulu wa ANC loyi anga yimisiwa Ace Magashule. Ace Magashule endle xikombelo xa aphili ehenhla ka xiboho xa ANC xa ku n'wi yimisa tani hi matsalanankulu endzhako hehliwa hi vukungundzwani. Khoto yi tlhele yi n'wi lerisa ku hakela tihakelo ta Khoto. Muvulavuleri wa ANC Pule Mabe u ri vandla ri amukele xiboho xa Khoto.
We are represented by a team of lawyers who are dealing with that issue. We have left it to them to attend to that, and I know that even when the SG put forward an application to the court, our own lawyers would have prepared our own responding affidavits to that. Because the ANC has always been certain that the case it brought forward is consistent with its own constitution, and that it did not act outside the parameters of its own constitution in terms of executing the decision to ask the SG to step aside, consistent with a resolution taken at the 54th National Conference. So the decision by the courts, without necessarily seeing the reasons, knowing that our legal team have put forward our responding affidavits, seems to be in affirmation of what the NEC of the African National Congress shall have done, that we did not act outside the parameters and outside our own authority. We did what was empowered to us as the National Executive Committee of the ANC by conference. We applied the rules as set out in our own constitution.